I'm nervous about my bud, dude. He's never gotten this far behind on a trail. What's up, Team Huckhouse? We're back at Basin because I'm digging it. I really like this trail. I like how quick I can do a loop, and it really works with my busy schedule currently. So we're back at Basin, but today it's not going to be the same type of video because today we're going to find out if a 360 camera is sick for mountain biking. And I have two ideas of where I would like to put it. One on top of the head, which we're going to do today, and then another one I think would be cool on the handlebars, which we'll do another day. But we're going to throw the camera up here on the top of the helmet. Hopefully we don't slam and beat it up because I really like this 360 camera. But 360 videos do take a lot more editing, so make sure you smash that like button for the fact that we even made this video. So the other day we tested just the GoPro on top of the helmet. It was an okay mount. I didn't think it was terrible. You didn't get to really see the bike though. So today we threw it on top of the helmet still, but because it's a 360 camera, we should be able to pick whatever angle we want and get really, really cool shots. So this is how we're gonna ride today. And of course, Shadow the trail dog is here with us. By the way, Basin also put new, it's not dirt, it's like the old asphalt that was on the highway. So super sick. Hopefully it's not so muddy this season. Does it look goofy? It's like another 6 inches on my head. So we are going to rock the chest mount mainly because the audio on the Instant 360 super sucks, but also just in case, I don't know, never hurts to have more cameras. I also have my phone in my pocket to help with the Instant 360 because you use an app a lot with it. And I'm not excited that it's in my pocket at all, but we'll make it work. Come on, Shadow. And we're off. Oh yeah, lastly, we will only use the 360 camera on the descent. We're not gonna really use it on the climb. All right, we made it to the top. Now we just gotta get the 360 camera working. All right, it's recording. Let's get it. A little high on that berm. We're okay though. Rock. There's a jewel. Still working on berms. Rock jump. There's the hip. Alrighty. So far so good. This is super fun. We'll take the right section again. We're not going to go over that gnarly rock. Oh yeah. Alrighty. So many little rocks you can pop off of. Oh. don't like that rock. I think it's just kind of pointy. Oh, super rocky section. The flowy section. Oh. We're doing good, boys. We're doing good. Another rock flip. Oh yeah. Into some of the, I think this is the one of the last berms. It's pretty gnarly. There's also 2 ways to go. We'll go left this time. Whew. Shadow's keeping up. Ooh, I thought I was going down for a second. We got some jumps here if you want to send it. There we go. Oh, the final berm, the biggest one. Whoa, man, that one always gets me. And then this gets pretty rocky and technical. Ooh. Cruising through. Left the dog in the dust. It's also super fast right there, which scares the crap out of me. Ooh. All right. And these are just kind of like a snake. Little turns, they're not bad. Got your last rock jump. And you come out of the bottom on top. Super sick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't come to a basin and done their single run, it's so sick. No lift access, you gotta climb it yourself. But man, is it a fun run. And it challenges me. I'm a beginner, but I'm liking it a lot. It's only like a 30-minute round trip. So I brought the dog who we left in the dust. Shadow! Alright. Gotta stop the 360 video now. Looks like we gotta go back and get Shadow. I didn't think that was gonna happen. Shadow! All these wrong way signs. Don't go this way, you're gonna get someone killed. Shadow! I'm nervous about my bud, dude. He's never gone this far behind on a trail. Shadow! I know he made it like pretty low, because I remember seeing him on that last berm. Maybe it is a fast section, like I said, so maybe just shot past him. Shadow! There you are. He just got lost. Shadow! He's like a kid who lost his parents and then finally found him. Now he's like stoked. What happened, dude? What happened, Shadow? What happened? Did you get lost? Did you get lost? Yeah. Did I leave you in the dust? I'm sorry. Poor dude. Are you ready? I was worried a mountain lion got him because we've been having a lot of mountain lion issues up here in Silverthorne this summer. All right, trail dog, let's do this. But man, that trail's so fun, guys. I'm really enjoying it. I know I keep doing it, I'm sorry, but I feel like doing a trail that you're familiar with allows you to kind of try things that you want to like progress on, if that makes sense. I'm gonna jump off of this. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, for a second I was worried I lost Shadow, so I'm so thankful that he just kind of got a little lost and finally caught up. But I do listen for his caller while we're riding, so I know he's like right behind me. And yeah, that was a close one. Don't want to lose our boy. But guys, make sure you comment down below. Let me know you thought of those 360 shots. I won't know what they look like until I'm editing, but I'm sure they were sick. I already have some ideas of what I think I could do with the 360 shots. And of course, one of them is looking back at Shadow, the trail dog. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We're just now getting into mountain biking, which we should have done that 10 years ago when we first moved up to the mountains. But we're getting into it now, right before the season's over. And then we're gonna start snowboarding again, what we normally do, and where our goal is to make you the best snowboarder possible. So subscribe if you like snowboarding and mountain biking. And guys, we're close. Even though all the snow at the top of a basin was melted, we're still close to a sick and killer snowboard season. So with that, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we will see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I so do banger, I'm the new Mick Jagger, I'm the...
The other day I was digging through some of my old footage and I came across a pretty special clip of mine.